do it. Good morning, another day at Beijing. Today weather is good. Only 10, minus 10. The subway is so huge. Shit, look. Kunming Lake at Beijing. How could it possible? We just entered the summer palace at Beijing. We enter first entrance now. Today weather is so good. Only minus 10. Yesterday was cold as fuck. And what is that? Is there a rock? Huge rock is there? Look at the huge rock. Whoa! It looks like walnut. This rock looks like walnut. Is it a tree or a rock? Of course, this rock looks like walnut. A walnut rock. I don't know what's the name of this. My boy standing in front of the largest broccoli. Wow. Yo, you see the largest broccoli here. Now you see the frozen lake, and the Summer Palace temple is over there. Go, let's go for his king. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Look what you see. I'm gonna step on the ice. It's so slippery here. So what? If I die in the Beijing, huh? I'm gonna step on the ice, man. Ah, this is so fucking really hard. The guy is skiing right over there. What? This is serious, huh? This is really insane. So look, I'm stepping on the lake. This whole lake is frozen. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's slippery.
Slippery, really slippery. Don't need, bro. You're so heavy. Stay away from me. You're so heavy. No race, I can't do race. How can I race? I'm holding camera. I can't do race here. No, I can't do skating with one hand. Yeah. I can't do race here.
Buy GoPro, man.
I need to buy GoPro next time for sure. Inshallah. Stand up. No way to race. What the hell? Oh shit, it's so... My hands are freezing, I can't feel myself. This is the first photographer, literally. Look, look, look. What is this? Brake. ABS brake. Low braking system. ABS brake. My boy is on the frozen lake. It's so cool. You should have to go and have fun here. Home to you. Bro, let's do barefoot challenge.
Let's do
Barefoot challenge.
Let's open.
Let's open. Let's open. Start open. Wow, well, by starting barefoot challenge. Oh, boys. Hey, all your socks will get wet, bro.
Not
Oh,
wet,
your
man.
socks
Oh, well.
actually started
Really?
with-
No
Okay,
socks, a
socks
barefoot. My boy is doing a barefoot challenge here. He's starting to take off everything. He's trying to step on the frozen lake. Oh my boy! How's
Fucking
it?
cold, man. Not that cold. What?
That's
I
cool.
can do, man.
Come on, Cameron!
Cameron!
Yo,
Cameron, walk on ice.
a walk on ice, frozen lake. It's wet or what? It's bro, I wouldn't do it. I have to run. Ah, it's great. Start braking. closer helps keep it cleaner. Whoa, this public toilet has an AC. It feels so better to stay here. It feels so good here. Oh, this water also warm water. So good, this public toilet. Come on. Oh. My boys, they went up there. All of them are service. Pagoda, pagoda, pagoda.
Yeah, pagoda.
The frozen legs are over here. I'm standing on the rock. There's a big rock here. My hands are freezing, still freezing. The hands are hanging back like this. Look, so I'm a legend. I have to jump now. 3, 2, 1.
To you.